Welcome back, mathematicians. In this video, we are going to do another example where we are solving an inequality. We have 8 minus 3 times the quantity 2 plus x is less than or equal to negative 2x. We need to start by distributing the value of negative 3 to the expression inside the parentheses. This gives us 8 minus 6 minus 3x is less than or equal to negative 2x. We now combine like terms if we have any on either side, and so we have 8 minus 6, which gives us a difference of 2. Drop down the minus 3x, less than or equal to, and negative 2x. We now want to group all constant terms on one side and variable terms on the other. To do this, I'm going to add 3x to both sides. This gives us only the constant term of 2 on the left side, less than or equal to, and negative 2x plus 3x is positive 1x or just x. Now this is our solution. However, I'm a big fan of writing it where we have the variable on the left, the constant or value on the right, which does mean I need to reverse this inequality symbol. So if the inequality symbol here is pointing towards the value and also opening towards the variable, I need to reverse it so that way it's still doing the same thing and it's pointing towards the value of 2, opening towards the value of x. This represents the values that are greater than or equal to 2 are going to be our solution set. This is an infinite set, so it cannot be listed. Instead, we're going to write the solution set in two different ways. First, set notation. We start with a brace. We then write the variable that we solved for, which would be x. We are then going to write a vertical line segment, which means such that. And then everything after this is going to define what the variable is or what the variable is not. Well, we said x, which represents the solution set, is greater than or equal to 2, so that is defining what the solution set is. So all values that are greater than or equal to positive 2. Close the brace, and that's set notation. Now to interval notation. Interval notation is going to be an ordered pair. It is going to start with your left boundary and then end with your right boundary. This says x, or the solution set, is greater than or equal to 2, which means 2 is our left boundary, our lower bound. So we're going to start with 2. Because of the fact that it has the equal to part, we are going to put a bracket around the 2 to indicate we are including 2 in the solution set. Then we go to the upper bound. But because this is actually unbounded to the right, there is no upper bound, we would then list infinity. And we always put a parenthesis around infinity because we can never equal infinity. And both of these are two different ways to represent the same solution set, which is any value that is greater than or equal to 2. All right, guys, good luck.